welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Betty. Nice to meet you. So today I'm going to do a wig review for you guys, and this wig that I'm going to review is a synthetic wig. I love reviewing a synthetic wig. So let's get straight to the point. The wig that I'm going to review for you guys is this wig by Sensational, and it's called What's Lace, guys. Like, let's see if it's truly what lace. I'm just gonna open up this wig. I don't know how it looks like. I'm just gonna open up with you guys. Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks on the model, and this is how the lace looks. And comparing the lace to my skin, you can still tell the difference. You can still tell this is a lace. And as you can see, I'm trying it on, and guys, this hair is very soft. The hair is also 13 by 6. You can go ahead and part this hair anywhere you want to part it. Usually I part my hair on my left side, but you know, this time around I was trying to figure out where to part this hair because I wanted to see where the pattern is gonna fit best. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And combing this hair out, I was loving how soft this hair is. And also the lace looks pre-plucked, so I wasn't really gonna do anything to the lace. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation powder to the lace because you can tell the difference. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation powder. I really do like the hairline. It wasn't that bad at all. Now I'm getting the hair out of my way just to cut the lace. A little advice that I have for you when cutting lace front is you have to take your time. Make sure you take your time to cut the lace. I was struggling on cutting this lace on camera because it wasn't easy and I didn't want any mistakes, so I had to take my time. And you know, I went ahead and used my scissors, and I also used my tweezer as well. So the tweezer wasn't doing me justice and the scissors was very weak, so I had to, you know, try my very best to cut it with the tweezer. So that is exactly what I'm doing. You can see the glue took about 5 minutes to dry, and it also left some white residue on my edges, but I wasn't really bothered about that because I was gonna go in with my foundation powder and I'm just gonna apply that on my edges, and it's gonna blend in perfectly with my hairline. So yeah, as you can see, it's vanished as soon as I applied the foundation powder on my hairline. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create some baby hairs. I wasn't really, you know, gonna create some baby hairs, but I felt like I needed it. at this moment because the hairline didn't look too realistic to me. So I created some, you know, baby hairs, and yeah, I used my mousse to create the baby hairs, and then I applied my eco styling gel, the invisible one, as well. And yeah, it's pretty much put the baby hairs in place. So yeah. Guys, as you can see, the hair is so beautiful. I really do love this hair, and I would recommend this hair. The only downside about this hair is it didn't take heat well. I tried curling the front and it wasn't curling up. I curled it with the straightener several times, and I realized that the ends became grassier. So you're gonna see that in a few minutes as you keep watching the video. So yes, apart from that, I didn't really have any issues with the hair. And the hair does tangle pretty easy, like it tangles up very easy, so you have to be extremely careful. It is a synthetic wig, so don't expect too much. So yeah guys, this hair was not curling up, like it wasn't curling at all, and I did my best, so I left it like that, and you know, it wasn't bad at all, so I kept it that way. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.